Do you dream about having thicker, luscious hair? Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of hair health, a world where the strength of your strands can bolster your confidence and raise your self-esteem. But achieving that dream isn't just a fantasy, it's a reality within your grasp. There are natural proven remedies that can help you flaunt a fuller mane. So if you're ready to transform your tresses and command the room with your crowning glory, stick around. We've got 4 proven remedies to share with you. First on the list is proper nutrition. Our hair is a reflection of our overall health. So it's no surprise that what we put into our bodies can significantly influence the health and thickness of our hair. A balanced diet, rich in essential nutrients, is the key to promoting hair growth. Protein, for instance, is a vital component of hair, making it crucial for maintaining hair health. Foods like eggs, fish, and lean meats are excellent sources of protein. Next, we have biotin, also known as vitamin H. It strengthens hair and enhances its thickness. Nuts, seeds, and avocados are packed with this nutrient. And let's not forget about vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins aid in producing sebum, building collagen, and maintaining hair's protective barrier, respectively. You can find them in fruits like oranges and strawberries, leafy greens, and nuts. Remember, a healthy diet means healthy hair, so make sure to nourish your body with these hair-boosting nutrients. Next up, we have scalp massages. Scalp massages are not just a luxurious spa treatment, they're also a secret weapon for promoting hair thickness. By stimulating blood flow to the hair follicles, scalp massages nourish the roots of your hair with essential nutrients carried in the blood. This creates an ideal environment for hair growth. But how do you properly massage your scalp? Start by using the pads of your fingers, not your nails. Apply a gentle but firm pressure and make small circular motions. Work your way across the scalp, from the front to the back, then repeat. As for how often you should massage your scalp, it's recommended to do so for about 5 minutes daily. This can be done while you're shampooing in the shower, or even when you're unwinding before bed. Remember, consistency is key. Give your scalp some love, and your hair will thank you. Our third remedy is to avoid heat styling. Heat styling, though it may give you the perfect curls or the sleekest straight hair, can be a major culprit behind thinning hair. The intense heat can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dry, brittle strands that break easily. So what can you do instead? Well, you can embrace your natural hair texture and let it air dry. This not only gives your hair a break from the damaging heat, but also allows it to regain its natural strength and shine. If you absolutely must use heat styling, consider using heat protectant sprays. These products form a protective layer around your hair, helping to reduce the potential damage. And remember, moderation is key. The less you expose your hair to heat, the healthier it will be in the long run. Your hair might not like the heat, but it will love the care you give it. Last but not least, regular trims. It's a common misconception that cutting your hair makes it grow faster. While it's not entirely true, regular trims do play a vital role in maintaining hair health and preventing split ends. You see, split ends make your hair appear thinner and less healthy than it actually is. When hair is trimmed regularly, each strand has a better chance of growing strong and thick from the root to the tip. A good rule of thumb is to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks, but the exact timing really depends on your hair type and length. If you have long, fine hair, you may need to trim more frequently to prevent breakage. On the other hand, those with short, coarse hair might get away with less frequent trims. In essence, regular trims are like a tune-up for your hair. They keep everything running smoothly and looking its best. Keep those ends neat and watch your hair flourish. So there you have it, 4 proven remedies for thicker hair. Proper nutrition, scalp massages, avoiding heat styling, and regular trims can all contribute to healthier, fuller locks. Remember, it's not about a one-off effort, it's about consistency. These remedies, when practiced regularly, can truly make a difference. So give these tips a try and embrace the journey towards thicker, stronger hair. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.